Maria bought 8 cups of strawberries. She used 1½ cups of the strawberries to make a salad and 3 3/8 cups of the strawberries to make a pie. She needs 4 cups of strawberries to make milkshakes. Does Maria have enough strawberries left to make the milkshakes? If you haven't had a chance to solve this problem, pause the video now and work out the problem, and then restart it to see if your solution matches mine. All right. Maria bought 8 cups of strawberries. She used 1/2 to make a salad, 3 3/8 to make a pie, and she needs 4 cups to make milkshakes, and does she have enough? All right. Again, I don't have my paper. There's my laptop. So I took some notes for myself. She has 8 cups of strawberries, 1½ cups used for salad, 3 3/8 cups used for pie. Does she have 4 cups to make milkshakes? So here's what I think I'm going to do. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 1 1/2 and 3 3/8 and 4 and add them together and see what I get. See if I get bigger or smaller than 8. So let's see. First thing I need to do is I need to find a common denominator. So I have 2 and 8. So 2 can go into 8 4 times. So 3 3/8 stays the same. 4 stays the same. My 1, but my 2 now becomes an 8. That's my common denominator. And since I did 2 times 4, I'm going to do 1 times 4, 1 4/8. And remember, when I'm multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number, I don't change the whole number. I still only have 1 whole. All right, so I have 4/8 and 3/8. So my denominator is still 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 more is 8. So in order to make all 3 of those, she would need 8 and 7/8, but she only has 8. So I know that the answer right now is no. Okay. So anything that tells me yes is not going to be right. Okay. All right. So let's look at our no's. All right. So looking at our no's, A says no because 8 minus 3 3/8 plus 1 4/8 is 3 1/8, and 3 1/8 is less than 4. Or C, no because 8 minus 3 3/8 minus 4 is 5/8, and 5/8 is less than 4. Well, here's what I think. I think it's A. And I think it's A because we took these 2 and added them together. And we could have subtracted them from 8 to get this. And it's less than 4. But this is a different strategy than the one we used. Okay. This one, for C, they take the 3 3/8 and subtract it. And then they subtract 4. But she hasn't made the 4 cups. She hasn't made the milkshakes yet. So that's incorrect. It didn't include the 1 4/8, the cups of strawberries, for the salad. So that's why I would say that one's not right. But I can double check and make sure that this one is right. So the 1 4/8, that's my 1 1/2, and 3 3/8 is 4 7/8. Okay? And if I have 8 whole, and I'm going to borrow and make that 7 8/8 so that I can subtract. Okay, so I took 1 whole from the 8 and made it 7 8/8. So when I subtract, 8 minus 7 is 1. Draw a line there. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 1/8, which is what the problem gets. And it is less than 4, so she doesn't have 4 cups to make the milkshake. So the answer is A.